Okay, so the electricians were supposed to come yesterday, and it looks like they were here at some point because the meter is up. Let's see what they got done inside. Okay, and it looks like they got the panel all wired in Jonathan's house. So that's done. Okay, so they got the junction between the houses done. I don't have the grounding rod in yet. Let's see what they got done in our house. Well, I'm surprised they actually got quite a bit done. They got the panel in, the wires pulled. They're supposed to be, well, yeah, I guess they're not done yet because they're supposed to be for the overhead lights still, but at least they got something done. Okay. And it looks like they marked the wires too, so I'm not sure where that's going to. Yeah, so they still have some work to do, but at least they came and they got something done. So, figured they might come back today, but they're not here. Okay, so they came back again and were working, and they left again. They just like come and go, I don't know. But they got quite a bit more done. They ran the wire for the stove. And, okay, there's the refrigerator they did. Outlet. Oh, you scared me, huh? So, I don't know, I might need to remind them that we need one for the ceiling fan in the living room. It looks like they ran everything but that. I don't know, they just might not have gotten to it yet, like I said. So, pantry light switch. Oh yeah, they run the one for the dryer too. Oh, awesome. So, home run to the east room. Okay. Oh, well, they have another one of those boxes there, so that might be for the ceiling fan. I don't know. In the living room? Guess we'll find out whenever they come back again.